Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and I'm here with a little 15-minute ephemera video. So this is going to be a short one. And before I get started, just a shout out to all of you who have been my friends, my virtual YouTube friends, and have subscribed to the channel for some time. I appreciate you very much, and I couldn't do this without each and every one of you. And in addition to that, a special thanks to everyone who is new. For those who are new, who have posted comments, thank you. I love getting to know new people, where you're from, what you're up to. So thank you for that. If you have not yet subscribed, I invite you to do so. It's free. It's free and it's fun. So take a second and do that. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. That would be awesome too. So I'm Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and I like to do a lot of different things. Today is something fast and easy. I had this in my stash. Apparently I was going to show you guys this, but this was just a collaged envelope. I have tons of these. I bought a whole box of these and a whole box of these at different thrift shops. So this one I just collaged. It's blank on the back. I just stuck a journal card in there from one of my digitals and called it good. We are not going to decorate these necessarily today, but I just wanted to show you some variations on how you can use these envelopes in many ways. So this one I just did, I glued everything shut. I just cut this down at the edge and used it and turned it into a side pocket with just a tiny bit of collage on it so that I have the ability to make it pretty in the future. Maybe I'll come back and do some finishing touches and maybe a tuck in there. This one is one I'll show you how to do. It's super simple, but this was just a top loading envelope. Same with this one, although I made this a flip out using two different envelopes. Oh, I bet I used the top and the bottom is what I did here. So maybe we'll do that one too. Okay, let's put that one up there and this one there. So I'll show you both of those. Here is one that's full and already done. So yeah, I don't know. We'll put that up there too. Now this one, this was the first one I looked at because I had done this a long time ago and I was like, what was I doing? I don't know what I was going to show them, but I think I figured it out. So this is essentially two envelopes. So this one and then this one would have been the other one. So I cut this in half to make two envelopes, and I don't know if I plan to use them individually or if I was just going to put them as separate ones, but basically that you can cut these in half and then you have all kinds of other little pockets, which I kind of like this. You know, the idea of having just a half little pocket with the cellophane in there at the top of the pocket. So there's another variation. I don't need to show you how to cut a tag apart and decorate it, but these are pretty much, well, this one's pretty much decorated, so maybe we'll come back and do that one and that one and this one. All right, let me just show you. Let's get down to it. I'll show you how to do this. Couldn't be more easy. Now I am using, this is just an old hotel key. All I'm going to do is cut it at an angle. I mean, can it get any easier than this? Now, this one, of course, does not have the pretty that the other one had. So there's that, but still cool. And then you're just gonna fold this down. Oh, I didn't get the edge. Haha. It would help if you cut this top off first. Did I already glue that, or this is already sealed? Sometimes I'm gonna just put a little bit of glue in here, because some of these were already kind of sealed, but let's not depend on glue from goodness knows how long. Come on now. There we go. Just to attach that. Keep it down. All right, there you go. Now, you're just going to fold this down like such. Oh, gosh. But how about even? Even would be good. There we go. Well, no, that's still not even. That's still not even. Why isn't it even? Now, if you really wanted to, you could use your scoreboard, but I'm not going to do that. There we go. All right. And that's all you need really to do. You can choose to leave it like this. You can glue it down. This one I used a little mushy stamp. And that's that. You're done. This one, all I did, I don't feel like using my score or my cutting board. So we're just going to cut this right here. Now we'll just put this aside. We can use this for a baby pocket. Now, and that baby pocket can go right on here. Well, here we go. We'll just do it this way. All together now, since they're the same size. And we'll snippy dippy over here. The ones with the pretty designs in them. This one's kind of like a crosshatch. But, you know, mass cut a dozen or so of these and then just spend some time making them pretty. And you've got a project for an afternoon. All right, let's do this again. Those do not look even. They're not. How did I do that? I don't know. Because I'm talking at the same time. All right, and there we go. And we're going to glue this together because it's... Let's put you back on there. I'm just going to make sure this is also reinforced. Now, I'm assuming that this was the same stitch on this, so that is why I covered that one, but that one is done. And then we'll do the same thing here. Yeah, see, both of those are covered. That is why. So let's glue that. Make sure it's extra. But how easy are these? Now, the one thing I thought about doing, maybe, I don't know, was sticking these through my embossing machine, but that means I'd have to get it out, and I'm not going to do that today, but I think it would be fun to collage them all and then emboss them, but like I said, that's not happening today. But an idea if you want to try it, or if you want me to try it, then I'm happy to do so. So now I can make this as an extra flip out just like this one when I'm ready, and just use some washi or some paper and hinge it right there. Easiest thing possible. This one looks like it's already been glued together. So let's just cut this down. This has no see-through envelope in it. I'm making a mess. Let's see what happens when I open this. Okay, it's good. So in this one, we're just gonna pop a notch right there, somewhere about in the middle, and then it's ready to decorate. Now, whether we want to do it this way or whether we want to do it as a double pocket this way, it's good to go. But another one that I can decorate. And truly, these probably need a little more. Well, that needs obviously more. I wonder if, so all of these are decoratable. I wonder what would happen. Let's do this. Let's cut this about right here. Okay. And this will be, we'll glue it. It's another little baby pocket. I would say this is a great travel craft too, because just being able to grab a bunch of envelopes and take them with you would be awesome. Now, how wide is this? If I'm thinking I want to cut this in half and make 2 little pockets, because I'm really digging this as a small pocket. It's 5 inches, so okay, maybe I will get my, hang on. So we want to cut it at 2.5. I'm just going to do this off screen because I have this. All right, there we go. All right, now we have 2 baby pockets. This one should be fine except for that. Oops, we need to glue it there. Yeah, that glue did not. There we go. Okay, so there's one we can play with. Itty bitty. And then this one needs to be glued in 2 places. Ooh, you know what? Let's do this. Ooh, let's see what it looks like when I do that. Because it's going to be a pocket, right? Yeah, let's make it opposite. All right, deal. So we're going to glue right here. Now I want to go get more and do more like that. And put that down. And then we need to glue here and right there. Okay. Pretty. It looks like denim. And this is on the outside, so we'll have to remember that when we're covering it, that this is all slick. And that will make a difference with what kind of glue we use and what we decide to do with it. But just a few variations of how you can use your window envelopes and kind of create several different things. So we have those pockets, we have a larger pocket, we have these that are just a single pocket, we have side pockets, we have double pockets, and I think, and then we have the single small. So a lot of variations, a lot of easy things that you can do, and I hope you enjoyed that quick little 15-minute ephemera project, and I hope that you try them and show me what you came up with. I'd love to hear your ideas. Until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.